If you own a Worcester Bosch boiler, you may have encountered the E9224 error code. Don't ignore it, as it could lead to costly repairs. With our expert guide, you can troubleshoot and potentially fix the error yourself. It might be as simple as a reset to restore your heating and hot water. The E9224 error code indicates an overheating problem caused by various factors, such as a faulty pump, blocked condensate pipe, stuck pressure release valve, or fan issues. To resolve the error, follow these steps: check the pump, unblock the condensate pipe, release excess pressure, and inspect the fan. Always prioritize safety. While you can perform basic troubleshooting, seeking professional assistance is crucial if the error persists. Service Team certified engineers possess the expertise to ensure safe boiler operation. Prevent issues by scheduling regular annual servicing of your Worcester Bosch boiler. This helps ensure optimal performance and avoids unexpected errors. Remember, when in doubt or if the problem persists, always engage a Service Team Worcester Bosch accredited engineer. Our experts will rectify the problem, restoring your boiler to its usual functionality. Click the links below in the description to book one of our gas-safe certified Service Team engineers now. Thanks for watching.